Hey everyone, product training specialist Andrew Gallo here from Thermador, and congratulations, you just purchased a Thermador Steam Oven. But you may have a lot of questions. What is Steam? What am I going to use it for? You might be a little scared. No worries. I'm here to help you and walk through with you just to show you how versatile this Steam Oven can be. We wanted to give our clients ample space, so your Thermador Steam Oven stands at 2.8 cubic feet, the largest steam oven on the market. And crazy enough, it's 3 ovens in one. You have steam only, convection only, and steam and convection combined. And we give you tons of accessories to make this oven sensational. And don't worry, cleaning is a breeze. But if you need any help with accessories or cleaning, be sure to check out our Thermador YouTube channel. Your Thermador Steam Oven can be used as a traditional oven as well, meaning that there is no steam to be used. So if you're used to modes like bake, broil, and roast, you can use those. We can also add in the convection element, which will use that back fan to circulate hot air, making it convection, bake, broil, and roast. As I said before, no steam will be introduced in the cavity if you use that traditional mode. So if it's a delicate family recipe or something you've been perfecting for a very long time and you don't want to change it up, you don't have to, keep it traditional. If you don't need any help with our pre-programmed options or would like to cook on your own, just select steam. The max temperature for steam only is 212 degrees, the boiling point of water. And even though your timer is set for 20 minutes, it's up to you if you'd like to add or remove time. A lot of people use steam just for vegetables and fish, but you can also use it for a lot of other great things. Maybe like rice, making hard-boiled eggs, or even corn on the cob. So instead of getting out those bulky pots and pans and cooking on your cooktop, why not try something new in your steam oven? For time, wondering what it might be between your stovetop and your steam oven, try roughly at the same time. So if it's 10 minutes corn on the cob on your stovetop, put 10 minutes right in that steam oven. It might be a trial basis, but you'll never know if you don't find out. The Thermador Steam Oven truly is the best of both worlds, as it combines both steam and convection to make steam convection. This uses 4 different elements: the top, the bottom, your convection fan, and bursts of steam to cook your food thoroughly throughout. The possibilities are endless when using steam and convection. The convection fan and 2 elements will help cook your food internally to that perfect temperature, and that steam will lock in moisture and give you the most perfect, juiciest flavor you've ever had. And you can use it with so many different things, like maybe lasagna, turkey, potatoes, veggies, brownies. Like I said, those possibilities are endless. Don't be scared to give steam convection a try. Whenever using steam and convection, we want you to keep 2 things in mind. 1, if you're moving from a traditional bake or broil to a convection bake or broil, you're going to want to lower your temperature by 25 degrees. The rapid movement of air is actually going to heat your food a little bit quicker. And if you're ever introducing steam, you actually get to cook with it with a little bit less time. So if your food item takes generally about 30 minutes to cook, check it around 20 minutes because it may be cooking faster than you think. Not only is steam better in a lot of different ways, but it's faster, more efficient, and overall, just a lot more fun. I hope this video gave you guys a little bit more insight of what your Thermador Steam Oven can do for you. So be sure to check out your use and care manual for all your information. Be sure to check out our YouTube page for any additional Steam videos, and go to Thermador.com to download a free PDF copy of your Thermador Steam Cookbook. So many fun and amazing things you can do right inside here. Now go out there, get cooking, and get steaming.